我呢人生帮你，差不背过呀背，基督当过呀那个人生嘛，这边现在帮人的穷下，结束也那有，毛就有，这样子这钱嘛在多呢，我老我求神都是那么的乐的。
A key moment in the history of Tibetan Buddhism and the beginning of a separation which could exclude 4 million Tibetans practicing this religion.
Aren't you ashamed to bring us such trouble? Get them to go. Get rid of them.
A few weeks after the Dalai Lama's speech, Shugden monks could no longer enter monasteries.